CSS battle time. We have deceptively simple one. Man. These are the ones that, because of how simple it is, makes you really want to find the best solution. Almost never do. But that's okay. Let's see. Border seems like a viable option. Box shadow could work too. I wonder if I wonder if it's a scale, you know, a rotated scale version. Let's see, this one is 20 to 220, so 200 pixels. And then this is, say, 95 to, I don't know, 205, 110. Or 200. I don't know. If it was 50% scale, that would like make life easier. Let's see, 75 to 20. I'm doing that wrong. Let's just start building this. Let's see, do I want to do borders? Do I want to try to make like that's the HTML and that's the body, you know, or do I want to make that the body and that a p tag? Because no, that won't work. Because I mean, this could just be a box shadow. That's a big property to have to use. I don't think border dashed and just because they'd be in line with each other, not offset like this if it was a dashed border. Could I do... I mean, maybe we could do border dashed. Just have like the top of the HTML here and then the top of the body here, you know, and it's just one thing. But I don't know if the length will be right. Well, let's see. Border. Let's just select them and let's see what happens with a border. 50 pixels, solid, dashed. Not solid, dashed. What are you doing? Dashed. Okay. Actually, I want to see something wild. I didn't know about double borders, but apparently that's a thing. And that would have been useful on one of them. Let's leave it like that. Let's go margin. I think it's more like 60 pixels. And let's stretch it out. So 10 pixels in, and then negative 100. Yeah. So no matter how much I stretch it out this way, the thickness of the border determines the length of it. And so a dash border is never going to equal this length. Unless I like stack two on top of each other. So that's just not worth it. So let's not do that. I could do a border top on the HTML and a border top on that and then flip a p tag and move it up. Maybe. So same sizing on these two, and then that one would be scaled down by 50% maybe. I wonder that might work. And then we only need the one background, right? And then we only need border top. Yeah, that's the smallest amount. What am I doing? We're gonna say 60 pixels solid. And we're gonna make it purple. Let's see if this works. We are going to width 200. Okay. And I don't need the pixels on there. I think this is coming together. Margin, I'm gonna go 20. That's not quite right. 1.8. Oh, I like it. So then, if we margin the top of this one, let's say 100. Oops. Don't just have to think margin, you have to type it too. Hey, it's working. 120, 40, 145 by 144. Interesting numbers, but I'm gonna roll with it. 150, 65. Nope, 64. Okay, so this seems to be working. Let's put in a p tag, see what happens. It's probably gonna break stuff if I have to guess. P, let's go scale 0.5, rotate. Let's not rotate it yet. Let's see if we can margin it up. Negative 100. Hey, we can, and nothing's breaking. 50. All right. Let's rotate 90 degrees. It's not quite the right size. So, what I'll have to change is I might be able to still use scale. It looks like it's just off by a little bit. So let's see. Let's get 160, 170, 165, and then 20. Nope. Negative 50, 80, 85. All right. All these weird numbers. Okay. So what if it is 0.4? Oh yeah, wait, 0.6. That's too big. 0.55. I mean, I'd love to be able to do this with scale, but I don't think that's quite working. The width and the not quite. Yeah, see, I have the height right now and the width isn't right. So scale alone isn't going to do it. What about zoom? What does zoom do? I've seen people use zoom before. All right. So 0.5? Seems to be doing like the same kind of thing. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Because now I have the width right, but I don't have the height. Oh, that's fun. That was kind of a neat exploration. Okay. So, the border and the width, that's what's controlling our size. So the border needs to be, I don't even know what it is right now, 0.6 of, so 6/10 out of 60. 1/10 is 6, right? So that's 36 pixels off. Ugh. So I can either use font, but it's going to be a different, let's just set up variables. Or because it's either variables or a font. And since font isn't going to be consistent, I can't just use font. So I'd have to use a variable anyways. But what if... Oh, my mind just quit working. We're so close. I mean, I can just... Doing the variables the easy way. I can do it real quickly that way. Yeah, I need to just write a variable and call it a night. I can feel my mind just shutting down. So this is our border variable. And let's just set a different border. Let's get rid of this. Okay. We got our width going. Let's get our left and right set up. So it's not just 30. I think it's 36. Yeah, 36 pixels. So from 60 to 36. What is that ratio? Let's do some math. $60 divided by 36 gives us 1.6. Repeating. Okay. Let's get our width set. Var W. And we can come down here. All right. 100, 180, 60, 50. Okay, so it's a little more than 100. Let's get you set up again. 160, 50, 40, 30. Okay, that looks good. And 140, 60. There we go. Or like 110. Of course, everything moves when you change it. Okay. Weird. 35, 36. Really weird. Now it's changing so. Okay. These numbers seem strange, but you know what? I think it's because we're using negative margin. And width should just be width. Okay, that looks better. That looks a lot better. Let's just hit submit right now. Let's just see. So 108 to 200. Hey, we got 100%. I can be happy about that. Let's say 200 divided by 108 is 1.8. So yeah, there's not a consistent ratio. I can't just use font, and there's no sense using font and variables. I mean, font is a little bit less. So 200 divided by 16 gives me 12.5. So that's 4 characters plus 2, and then I do the font. Honestly, writing width might be shorter. I think it is shorter. So just deleting the variable, yeah, look at that. We are at 234. Yeah, from 267. Shouldn't have changed that much. Okay, whatever. Oh, I took a bunch of other characters off, but I do think that helped. Border, that would make sense. Let's do 16 divided by Nope. 60 divided by 16. No, I just... Oh my goodness, I just pressed the wrong button again. .75 m but it's 1.6 is ratio. So if I did 3.75 m, this is too much math. I'm not changing it to font. Give up. It's too late. It's too late. It was a long day. Worked overtime, and then I had to go to the store, and then there was a swing set on Facebook Marketplace, and so we have a swing set now for the kids, which is, you know, that's exciting. That's a lot of fun for them. Haven't put it together yet, but still, good stuff, but just a really big day. Let's hit submit, call it a night. It's not a top solution, but it's a solution. I kind of like it. It's a little different than I normally do. I probably could have done... Yeah, no, I like it. I was thinking border block, but that would have been longer than border top. I think that's as short as it gets. For the border, at least. Alright. Thank you. I hope you have a good day. And hopefully I can solve... What is it? 242? I'm still struggling with that one. Alright, bye.